Surefire helmet mount light things so you can look cool in your airsoft battles. To install your Surefire helmet light, first you're going to remove the light from that itself. You're going to take this little Allen wrench out right here, pretty tight, and it goes into these two holes down into these little like screws, and they're going to apply the pressure onto the helmet so that way this thing stays snug. So this is going to go onto the right side of the helmet, and you just kind of wedge it on there. Let's apply pressure, rotate it. There we go. And then once it's pretty secure, just tighten it down, sticking this there. Just rotate these screws down onto the helmet itself. They're sticking out pretty far, so I'm going to back them off a little bit. Make sure they're both and tight. That's on there. And then this will just slide right on wherever you need to. That's it.